not this.
That does not look appetizing.
Your mama. Hey everybody, welcome back. Mommy Drew here, and I'm bringing you in the kitchen with me today. Today I'm making an awesome full meal for you that you're gonna be excited to see. If you're on a special diet like keto or low carb, I'm gonna show you how you can get a meal with cauliflower to look just like a rice meal. So come on into the kitchen with me. But before I go there, I have 2 shout outs to do today. We've started our minute to click it shout out. What does that mean? That means the first family member from the Drew fam to click our video and watch that video within the first minute of it going up gets a shout out. Today, we had fire fingers. We had 2 of our family members who pushed that button. The first one was Mason's Fun Day. Yay! We love Mason's Fun Day. You guys should check that channel out. If you follow us, I guarantee you will love this family. It's a family where there's a mom, a dad, and a little boy, a born winner. His name is Mason. Mason and his daddy reviews toys, and they do an awesome job at it. Go on over there and check out Mason.
Welcome to Mason's Fun Day. Yay!
The second shout out goes to, sorry, but I gotta look, because this is one of our newest family members, and we love you, new or old, so I gotta look you up. Kamari and Tyler. Tamari and Tyler, not Tyler, Tyler. Thank you guys for clicking it in a minute. The shout out goes to you. Everyone that's following us, every family member of ours, go on over and check out Kamari and Tyler. And we'll have their channel names right up here or wherever it is my husband puts that stuff. So let's go on into the kitchen. Bye. Hi everybody, it's Mommy Drew here, and I'm gonna be doing a recipe with you guys today. Today, I saw this recipe from one of our YouTube Drew Nation family members, Dati For You. And I will put that channel in our description below, and I'll show you a little picture of what it looks like. She has a cooking channel, and she does an awesome job at cooking. Well, while watching her today, she made a curry rice, or you can call it a turmeric rice. And it was an awesome looking dish. Mommy Drew here, being on a low carb diet, cannot have that rice as much as I wanted it. So I decided that I was gonna take her recipe today and convert it to a low carb recipe using cauliflower rice. So come on into the kitchen with me this evening as I prepare this cauliflower turmeric rice for us to have for dinner tonight. The ingredients that she used in her recipe were mushrooms. She used 1 single yellow bell pepper, red onion, and white onions, but I only want to use a white onion. Rice. This is cauliflower rice, shrimp, and chicken stock. She prepared her own chicken stock, but I won't be doing that today or any other day anytime soon. Let's begin. Some of the seasonings that she used in her dish: turmeric, rosemary, and good old salt. She used chili powder as well as, I can't recall the other spice that she used, but she used about 2 more other spices that I'm not going to use tonight. We're gonna saute the onions and bell peppers for about 2 minutes. In our friend's video, she pureed the bell peppers, but I'm selecting to leave the bell peppers whole. We're gonna add back in our shrimp and mushrooms. At this point, you should be tasting your food to see if you have enough salt and it's flavored the way that you want it to be flavored. So I'm gonna finish up doing that, and then we'll finish off this dish in the oven for a short while. I'll show you the final product when I'm all through. Look at this. Wouldn't you say this is a delish looking dish? And be honest with me, can you tell it's not rice? It's not rice, but it sure looks like it.